Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide sheet on Google Sheets mobile. Alright guys, first of all, open your Google Sheets application on your mobile phone. And here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone. And for example, I'm going to open this Google Sheets file. So we can tap on the Google Sheets file. Then we can select the tab sheet that we want to hide from our Google Sheets file. And for example, I'm going to hide the schedule tab sheet. So we can just tap on the sheet like this, tap on the sheet until this option appear on your screen. Then you just need to click on hide. Okay, and now as you can see that the tab sheet has been hidden. And I guess that's how we can hide sheet on Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.